Hi, my name is Devinder, and as a part of master's project, I'm giving this project for the Sprint 3. The project I had been worked on with my team is online order and driver platform. It is a project that has been proposed in regard to the current pandemic to meet the requirements that are being there due to the shortage of being the face-to-face like retail and selling. So there is the platform that has been proposed in this project. My team members are Sainath, Vimsidhar, and Manpreet. Regarding the team component, the sprint started on 28th of September and it ended on 14th of October. Regarding the roles being played by everyone, Sainath was the team leader and Vimsidhar was the database developer, and I worked as a graphic design and web page developer, and Manpreet was report writing and the web design. So the team leader being Sainath, he spent 4 hours and all of us spent nearly 3.5 hours. For the user stories, the we have accomplished this user stories, and for the products of user locality should be shown to the customer should be able to explore every category of products, and for this we have designed the wireframe, and we have also designed the system design with the help of Adobe XD. Auto login check-in functionality would be available post registration and login, and this functionality would also be available to the customer, and we have completed this because for the users as a customer, driver, and owner, we have created this functionality, and ratings, reviews, and acceleration as a user are also important, and we have taken care to include those things so that the feedback can be given as a customer, and the drivers and the owner can further assess how he would be changing the conditions for more selling. Then the fee calculation provision to the owner, we have also completed this one, and as it is a very of prime importance, with the help of Adobe XD we have also given access to this thing. And the prototype design, we have designed the prototype, which will show in the next slides. And this is a prototype design we have made with the help of Adobe XD. As being required by the project, there should be a various categories of product the customers should be able to explore. So in this screenshot we have attached the top categories being the electronics, fashion and restaurants, beauty and care. Next is being continued with that, here we have attached the screenshot being restaurants. If restaurant category is being selected by the customer, then they would be able to access the find healthy foods and favorite foods for them, and access to the nearest restaurants. Then is the owner side use. Here also we have taken care to include all the categories being required by the owner, adding the items, their details, quantity, price, and here also included the KYC verification, which means know your client. It helped to reduce the chances of fraud being done, so it is also an essential component we have taken care. Then is the driver use. For the driver side, we have created the simple things like orders, profile, verification, and logout, where he can say how many orders he have delivered and how many are assigned to him. And with the help of this designing, we have resolve some of the issues such as spread of the COVID infection, inaccurate product delivery, inaccurate order details, inaccurate inventory control. All these will be resolved if it is being designed. Then is the survey. We have done the quantitative analysis and designed the survey on the Google Forms, and for this we have simply attached a screenshot, and then we analyze the results with the help of tool called Tableau, and here the dashboards. Then is the individual contribution. Like what I have accomplished in the past project was I learned how to make the wireframes, how to work with the workflow diagrams, and how to create the survey on SurveyMonkey and Google Forms, and how to basically create the prototype for the project. So what are the key takeaways that I have taken from the previous sprint? I think there are many important things that I have learned from this project, such as using various different apps, including Draw.io for making the workflow diagrams, Adobe XD for prototype, and Corel Draw for the wireframes of the project. So I think it was very beneficial new learning for me. What could be done better in the sprint? There are basically there are improvements over the time for the project, and as a team we followed the collaboratory approach for this project, but due to being unable to meet in person, there could be something some things that could have done in better way. And like basically I have would regarding the lessons learned for this project, I would say that from the previous semesters, what I have learned in the business process analytics, big data analytics, IT service management, and professional culture and professional research and communication, that helped me a lot regarding this project. And that's all regarding this sprint 3. Thank you.